Hi, my name is Arun and welcome to my channel, and it's nice to meet you. To tell a bit about me, my full name is Arun Prasad Gunasekaran, and I'm a nerdy science avid science student, and I love programming. And since I'm a science student, I most of my programming is confined to the scientific domain. Although if you give me a scientific application, computer science application, I can do a little bit of programming in that. And also, I'm a software enthusiast. I finished my bachelor's in 2000 between 2009 and 13, master's degree between 2013 and 15, and as of now, I'm a PhD student in Indian Institute of Science, and I started programming since 2007. And this channel is actually I started this channel as a part-time hobby. That mainly because I learned so many things related to programming and software thanks to a lot of people in the community. And when I learned a lot, I felt that okay, I have to give something back to the community. So that's why I started this channel. And in this channel, I'll be doing a lot of programming languages and some software tutorials. The main reason for me to start this is because of these 4 points over here. As a student, I understand how much difficult it can be for people in their academy and research because they do not know particular programming skills or languages or software, and I can also understand how frustrating it can be to find some clear-cut sources or examples or illustrations that can explain certain concepts or get some job done. And at the same time, I believe that programming skills and knowledge in software can help people grow tremendously in the research fields, especially for research students, professionals working in the scientific community. Many examples and resources out there, as I mentioned earlier, can be very rare. Okay, most of them are pretty generic or mostly computer science oriented, and they may not be available for scientific domain. That too, if there are, they'll be pretty rare. So I just started this channel in the hope that I can help as much people as I can with clarity. As far as the topics I cover in my channel, I have fully established video series on Fortran, LaTeX, Python, and also a small introduction to Makefiles. Okay, and I'm currently working on C programming language, and in the future I might consider taking series on C++ and Fortran MPI, and also have tutorial series on Linux shell and Fortran and OpenMP. And also once in a while I post videos on Linux distro reviews and some Linux news for scientific, especially targeting scientific users. And this is not the only topic. I'll cover more topics in the future as well. The main target audience I'm looking for this channel are you guys. Like if you're watching this video and you're an undergrad student or from the STEM field, mainly science, technology, engineering, and medicine, and also a little bit of mathematics, you'll be worth it. I recommend you watch this because many of the skills I'm going to tell over here, which will be very useful. And so as a consequence, if you're a teaching assistant, project assistant, research assistant, or some research fellow, senior or junior, or somebody working as a research student, master's, bachelor's, or PhD student, or some science and Linux software enthusiast, this channel will be very much interesting to you. And I use open source and free software as much as possible. I don't use if I use any other software that is not open source or free, then it'll be properly licensed. And I'm a big fan of GNU and Linux since 2014. As far as my programming tutorials are concerned, I just go with a systematic approach. So unless otherwise I stated, you don't need anything prior to start with. I just explain I just give elaborate explanations, and I give a full walkthrough for programs that I've written earlier, and I just make sure that I have adequate examples to explain the concepts pretty well. And I just make sure that my topics I just go with an incremental approach wherein I just explain some topics and then slowly add one more complexity over the other. As a consequence of all the above points, my videos are usually longer, but if you bear with me, you will know this much better. And my source code, all the other programs that I create, will be available in this username in this github.com. And these are the software and operating systems that I use. If you feel free to check this out if you want. And what can you do? If you like my content, do like and subscribe, and you can ask me questions in the comments. I'll reply as much as I can, and I open to video play suggestions as well. So thank you all for watching, and I'll jump in and you love it.